They cannot run, they cannot roar, they cannot even lift a finger. And yet plants wage some of the most ruthless war in nature. They stab, they poison, they hire mercenaries. This is the hidden battlefield you never knew existed. And it's happening silently all around you. The first line of defense, brutal architecture, the cactus wears the crown of needles not just to wound intruders but to create pockets of shades, slowing water loss in the desert heat. The acacia tree has turned its branches into barbed barricades, making every bite an act of self-harm. Even the gentle rose hides blades beneath beauty. But this is the only outer wall. When brute force isn't enough, plants unleash invisible weapons. Milkweed saturates its leaves with cardiac glycosides compounds that turn an insect on heartbeat into a lethal weapon. Poison ivy doesn't kill, it tortures. Its urushiol oil hijacks your immune system, making your own body attack itself. And eucalyptus, it floods its leaf with volatile oil so potent they can intoxicate or outright poison most animals. But not all plants fight alone. The acacia tree keeps its own private army, legions of ants housed in hollow thorns and fed with sweet nectar. In return, the ants attack anything that touches the tree, be it caterpillar or mammal. Corn plants have a more surgical approach. When caterpillars chew their leaves, corn sends out chemical distress call. The scent nourishes parasitic wasps, who inject their eggs directly into the caterpillar's body. The larva hatch eats their host alive from the inside, and all of it started with a single bite of a leaf. The Venus flytrap waits in stillness until a careless step triggers its hair sensors. In less than a second, the trap snaps shut, imprisoning its prey. Pitcher plants disguise themselves as sweet-smelling flowers, luring insect to the rim. One slip, and they plunge into a deadly pool of digestive enzymes. These are not defensive; these are execution. Every forest, every meadow, every garden is a silent war zone. The battles are unseen, the warriors are rooted, and the casualties countless. So the next time you pass a plant, remember it may be watching, waiting, and steady to strike.